Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to go over a way that rideshare drivers can make up to an extra $100 per month. Okay, this is crazy guys. If you want to make more money, be sure to keep watching, okay? 100 extra dollars. That could be $1,200 extra dollars in a year for driving rideshare. So there's this tablet that pays Uber and Lyft drivers up to an extra $100 per month just for keeping it in your car. And this tablet is 100% free, okay? You don't have to spend any money to get this in your car. And it's from Play Octopus. If you don't know what Play Octopus is, it's this awesome company that will mail rideshare drivers a tablet for free, and it has all these amazing features. And since they run ads on the tablet, it actually helps drivers get paid extra money just for having it running and having passengers use it. So let's just get started and look into Play Octopus. So Play Octopus is the world's largest rideshare advertising network. Okay, this is super cool. This is what the tablet looks like. It has a lot of cool things for your passengers to look at. You hook it up in the back seat of your car on the back of the headrest of like the driver's seat or the passenger seat, so that people in the back can be using it. You can see they have live games on here, real-time trivia, and daily giveaways and cash prizes, so your passengers can actually win money for playing these games. Super cool. They have rider information, so your passenger can get to know you a little bit more. You can make like a little driver profile. It can show you the weather, other random like local info. And then they also have these cool interactive ads. So we have a link down below, and if you use that link, you can get your free tablet. It's super easy to apply. Okay, there are over 40,000 drivers using this in their tablet, and honestly, there should be more because it really does make a much better experience for the passengers. It actually can increase your tips. Okay, you get more tips or direct earnings from Play Octopus because your passengers will be so impressed that you have this super cool tablet in your car that usually they will want to tip you more because they think you went out of your way to do this for them, but really you just got your tablet for free in the mail. It can also lead to higher ratings because it makes the ride a lot more fun for the passengers, and it's a really good conversation starter. Okay, if they're reading your driver profile and they might have something in common with you, they could talk with you, building more of a relationship, which could also lead them to want to leave a bigger tip. A lot of passengers just think it's really cool and they'll start asking you about it. And then also, if you do get your Play Octopus tablet, you can join their exclusive events and driver only giveaways. Super cool. They want to give back to the drivers. So this is what you get in the mail when you get your Play Octopus tablet. You get the free tablet, as we just discussed. You get a free mount. It's super easy to hook up in the back seat. You literally like Velcro it around the head of your car seat and it will just stay there. You put the tablet in there. Also, there are replacements free of charge if your mount breaks or it gets stolen or lost. And then you get the charger for it too, obviously. And you get free LTE data for your device. So you don't have to pay anything to have this running in your car. And this is available nationwide, including Alaska and Hawaii. And if you are Canadian or you're in Canada and you live in Toronto, it will be available for you there too. So you might be wondering, well, how do I qualify? So drivers can get a free Octopus tablet if they're regularly driving for rideshare. So if you're a full-time driver, you should have no problem getting one. You need to have driven for at least 2 months and average more than 100 trips per month. So literally, if you're doing like 3 trips a day or like a little more than 3 trips a day, which if you're driving full-time, even if you're driving part-time, you can easily get more than that every month. So yeah guys, this is super cool for rideshare drivers. Again, we have a link down below if you want to get your free tablet. I really recommend it. Like, there's no reason to not do this because you're not spending any money to get one of these, and there's so many amazing benefits that it can give you as a rideshare driver. So you might as well. And you know, if let's say it doesn't work out for you, you know, your passengers aren't super into it or anything, like you're not losing anything. You can really only gain from this. Be sure to check it out. Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.